Hello, my name is Mark, welcome to my review channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Alfawise Android 8.1 box. The Alfawise Android box is a smart looking little unit that will look good under your TV. It comes with a user manual, power supply, remote and HDMI cable. The remote's fine for basic navigation, but you might want to invest in one with a keyboard on it if you want to enter lots of usernames and passwords. It comes with a total of 4 USB ports, 3 around the side that you can see here, and there's an additional one around the back, as well as Wi-Fi. You also get an Ethernet port if you want to connect this via Ethernet cable to your network. So you're well catered for when plugging this into your TV. HDMI cable is included. The interface itself is a nice big button interface. It comes with various apps pre-installed such as YouTube, the Play Store and Aptoide TV. If you're not sure what Aptoide TV is, that's an alternative app store, so you can download apps from either Aptoide TV or the Play Store. You'll need to put your username and password in to the Play Store if you want to download anything. The little icons down the bottom are customizable, so you can add or remove little shortcuts. The larger icons stay as they are, you can't change or alter those. Just having a quick look in Aptoide TV, if you've not seen it before, it's got all the same kind of apps that you might be used to from the Play Store, but you don't have to sign in to download the apps from this particular store. You can just download them straight away, and so that can be a bit quicker to get up and running if you don't have your username and password to hand. Also comes with a specially designed Kodi version. This is designed for the particular chip that this box uses, and it's really nice to see a clean version of Kodi included, so you can add your own videos, add-ons, whatever else you want. Nothing's pre-set up. Within YouTube, you'll find that you've got a range of qualities to choose from, but I have found that on a couple of these videos at the very highest quality, the box seemed to struggle a little bit. Sometimes the audio would play and the picture would stutter a little bit. So there you go, so you can see it's paused, but that was only at the various highest resolutions, and I've only tried this on a few of those 4K videos. If you swap over to videos that I've done, which are not in 4K, they're pretty much all 1080, you'll find that it plays absolutely perfectly, very nice and smooth, audio and video all nicely in sync. For those of you into Netflix and binge watching, you'll be glad to know the Netflix app works perfectly on here, so you get all the nice little thumbnails as you'd expect. Click on something, it takes a few minutes sometimes to come through clearly, sometimes it's a little bit pixelated to start with, but once it's fully loaded up, it's a perfect picture quality and it looks really good. You forget you're even using the box, and that's where the little remote comes in handy, because it's more like a standard TV or DVR remote rather than a big keyboard and mouse. Like video playback, gaming is a story of two halves. Here we've got a very high-end, demanding racing game, and although it's playing, it's a little bit choppy. One thing to note, I am playing this using a gamepad, so you can plug in gamepads into the USB ports and use this as a little gaming box, but as you can see, it's not coping too well with this particular racing game. But if we shift gears down and choose something a little less taxing, you'll find that this plays perfectly well. This is a very low cost box, and I'd say the performance is bob on for the price. Okay, you're going to struggle a little bit with very high-end movies or games, but actually if you're just looking for a Netflix streaming box, something to put Kodi on, something to play a few games like Sonic on, this is a really great option at a very low cost. Could be great if you're looking for a box for the spare room, for example. If you're interested in learning more, I'll put links to the product in the description below. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.